Welcome to the next video. We're on the synthetics. 52 minutes left. I'm on the main wash, and this time I'm using new detergent now. I'm using the Ariel 2-in-1 pods. So this is how much foam and that's in on this wash. It started off pretty well, but well, it did. In fact, yeah, it's the same. I've only just come back to the washer to see what it's like. It's still the same. But the suds did come quite quickly as well, which were good to know. It smells good as well. Still got comfort in that in. Still my usual cycle synthetics. I'd be curious to know if it does a sud lock. Because the pods were a bit bigger than the full 2-in-1 pods which I've had for the last month or two, which you've seen on previous videos. Just get a close up there. Still just a bit of access softener on the window, do you know when it goes like that funny type steamer type thing, that's a softener. Can't really get inside, a proper look inside the drum with that steam. But that's as best as I'm gonna get there.